Good morning. I look like a ghost this morning and yep. I literally have not gone outside in a very long time other than recess, so I'm sorry. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I just wanted to do a quick recap on my mini transformation in my classroom that I did a couple weeks ago. I never ended up posting it and I found the footage and I felt like I wanted to post it. So basically I did a place value activity review, and instead of doing the typical have them answer a few questions and then review it, I did it in a different way where I transformed my classroom into a place value birthday party and the kids got to plan out their birthday parties. So let's roll the clips of my Friday where I did this, and I'll catch y'all at the end of the video. It is now Friday and I am doing a little mini classroom transformation, and I'm kind of excited about it in a way, but I'm also not excited because I don't know how they're gonna, I don't know. I just don't know how they're gonna take it. Like, I'm a little nervous that they're gonna be like too rambunctious or not be into it. Like, my class last year loved when I did my classroom transformation, so I wanted to do more of them this year. So we'll see how this group handles it. I know it's a different group, so who knows. Basically, I bought a bundle, and it is, well, not bundle, but it's a product, and it's all about place value, and the kids are basically having a project to create their perfect birthday party. I will show y'all what that looks like when I get to the school, and yeah, I'll see y'all when I get there. Okay, so I set up one of my tables. Now I have these packets. Let me show you. These are the place value birthday packet that I was talking about. And I was thinking about putting them out on their desk this morning with the party hats, but then I realized that they have like morning work to do, and I don't want them to be like distracted by the fact that they like have that on their desk. I'm gonna get working on putting the rest of my tables together, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. Okay, so I decided that, ooh, that sunlight, I'm looking a little orange. I decided that I'm just gonna have them in little baskets on each table. So I put the like packet in there and then the hats as well. That way it's like, I don't know, it's just in a basket and they're not tempted to touch it and whatnot. And I might even move the baskets back to this table. That way they're really not tempted to touch it. But now I have to hang up my little birthday banner, and I need to figure out where to do that. But this is what we're working with right now. So I mean, nothing too major, literally just tablecloths, party hats, and a packet, but hopefully it'll get them excited. Oh, and I did get them cookies, hopefully to kind of bribe them to do what they're supposed to do, and Capri Suns as well. So if a group's on task, then I'll call them first to get their snack and whatnot. So yeah. So that's what my classroom ended up looking like for my classroom transformation. Like I said in the video, nothing too crazy, nothing too expensive. I think like the tablecloths were like $1 a piece, and then the hats like came in a package that were $1 a piece. And of course I just did snacks because what kid doesn't like snacks, but if y'all feel like doing this in the future, don't feel like you need to buy them snacks. Don't even feel like you need to transform the classroom. You could just do that fun review to start off with, and then the next time maybe add in some table gloss, or you can even get butcher paper. I did butcher paper last year for my decimal diner, and that worked out just fine. So yeah, I just wanted to come on and share that with y'all, and then I wanted to share my reflections on it because I did want to make this channel more reflections on my year. So that activity went very well. The kids enjoyed it so much. I had them working in their table groups all on the packet together, and they absolutely loved it. They all were working hard. They were working as team members. They got most of the packet done that day, but it did take some time at home to finish it. Most of them had just like a page or two left of the packet to plan their birthday party out, but yeah, it was a really fun activity, and I'm so happy I did it, and I'm happy I filmed that portion that I could share with y'all. Of course, I can't film actually when the kids are there because of privacy reasons and whatnot, but hopefully in the future I'll be able to get some clips of them actually doing their work, just not of their faces and whatnot. But yeah, so I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I will catch y'all maybe on Wednesday for my weigh-in video. All right, see y'all then. Bye. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching to the end of this video and supporting my YouTube channel. It means so much to me. If you would like to catch up on any of my older videos, you can use the 2 links right here. And if you would like to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future videos, you can use the link right here. I hope that you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.